Hi and welcome back. The Literacy Pro Student Dashboard communicates the most important information about your reading and learning progress. Let's take a look at the navigation panel. There are 5 tabs on the navigation panel. Home, Library, Assessment, My Results, Family Zone. The Home tab shows the student dashboard. It provides information such as your Lexile, points tally, avatar, today's reading goal, this month's challenge, your achievement wall. Moving down to my bookshelf, it shows recommended books, assigned books, popular titles. We will explain each of these in detail later. The Library tab is where you can see all the titles that have been assigned or recommended to you. Access titles that have ebooks and quizzes. Search for new ebooks by title or keywords, or by using smart filters. Try it out now. The Assessment tab brings you to the assessment page. It contains all the tests that are available for students to take. My Results will bring you to the Student Results page. You can view your latest Lit Pro test results and book quiz data here. And the last tab, Family Zone, will bring you to the Family Zone page. In this section, your parents or guardians have a complete overview of your reading and learning progress and performance. Now let's take a look at the key metrics on your student dashboard. Your Lexile. This is your Lexile score from the latest Scholastic Lit Pro test. According to your Lexile measure, you will be placed in the corresponding reading level. Literacy Pro selects and recommends books that are appropriate to your Lexile level in your library. Points tally. These points are earned when you complete reading an ebook or by attempting and passing the quiz or checkup of that ebook. If you have completed reading the ebook and passed the quiz, you will get points for both. Avatar. At the program's start, a few avatars are unlocked for you to select. As you progress in your reading journey, and earn more points, new avatars are unlocked. You can upgrade to the next set of avatars. Today's reading goal. The daily reading goal is set at 20 minutes a day. Monthly challenge. The monthly challenge is an overview of the student's activity in a month. You have a chance to earn gold, silver, or bronze medals based on the points you earned. Medals will be awarded to students based on the rank they reached at the end of the month. For example, if you are in the 1st to 30th percentile, you get a gold medal. 31st to 60th percentile, you get a silver medal, and 61st and below you get a bronze medal. My Achievement Wall. The Achievement Wall hosts all the achievement rewards earned by you for various actions. There are 5 categories: Word Warrior, Read Streak, Literacy Star, On Time Champion, Level Up Legend. Let's take a look in detail. Word Warrior. You are consistently reading and taking quizzes over the last 14 days. Reading Streak. You achieved the reading goal 5 times. Literacy Star. You scored 80% or more in 5 assigned quizzes. On Time Champion. You completed all assigned work by the due date. Level Up Legend. You moved up a level. You can earn achievement rewards multiple times and all the achievements will show on your achievement wall. Trophy. This shows the total number of achievement rewards from all categories on your achievement wall. It is calculated by adding up the total number of achievement rewards from all categories. Each achievement tile has a number at the top right which indicates the number of times that achievement rewards have been won. There is also a progress bar in each achievement tile, showing the current progress and how far you are from getting the achievement. Let's take a look at your bookshelf. Continue reading journey. This section shows the books that you have started, but not yet completed, or if a quiz or checkup was started but not completed yet. My Bookshelf. This section shows books recommended for you based on your Lexile measure and reading interest. Click on Edit your reading interest to change from any of the 20 categories listed. Select or unselect the interest categories and click Confirm to exit this page. You can also click X to close this page without making changes. You can also click on See All if you wish to see more books on the library page in Literacy Pro. Assigned to me. All the books and book quizzes that were assigned your teacher are listed here. Popular titles. All the popular books among your peers that correspond to your Lexile range are listed here. You can flip each book card by clicking this button to read more details about the books, such as book title, author name, ratings, interest category, Lexile level, word count, number of pages, number of points, book description. We'll go into more details in our next video about using Library in Literacy Pro. Each book card has an overlay containing multiple icons. Read button, click on it to open the e-reader in Literacy Pro to read this book. Quiz button, click on it to open the quiz in Literacy Pro. A red dot at the top right corner means your teacher has assigned this book quiz to you. Checkup button, if a book has a checkup and you are subscribed to it, click to open the checkup in Literacy Pro. The progress icon shows the reading status of the ebook. Click Continue Reading to resume reading this book. The book rating shows the average rating of the book by other students. Book icons. There are a total of 4 book icons that can show up on the book card. In Library Match, Read and Think, True Flicks, Book Flicks. In Library Match, this icon appears when the book has a match with your school library. Read and Think. This icon appears if the book has a Read and Think feature. True Flicks. This icon appears if the book is available in TrueFlix, which is another Scholastic reading program. BookFlix. This icon appears if the book is available in BookFlix, which is another Scholastic reading program. You can also click on the Explore Library tab, which will bring you to the library page in Literacy Pro. Or go to the library page by clicking on the Library tab in the top navigation panel. Thank you for your time in watching this video. If you need more help or guidance on Scholastic Literacy Pro, reach out to your account manager or Scholastic customer service and we'll assist you further. Have a good day.